So guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I need to get up here on the roof because it's been raining in a week, and I just noticed that that there is a leak on my roof on the kitchen part, and I am not here for a week, and I just keep going here every time I don't have a work, and then I see it last night that there's a leak coming from here and going down on the wall of my kitchen, so I need to check it. So I had to remove the jealousy glass so I can get in. So I have a piece of a roof here, a scissor. I don't have a roof scissor, so I guess it can help on cutting. Then I have a bulkasil. So guys, I am here now on my kitchen roof, and while waiting on the internet, because today I have a schedule for my internet installation, and while waiting on the lineman, I will work on my roof. So I don't have someone to lean on. I don't have someone that I can depend on to do things on my house. So it's just my own. So I have to do this, and I'm sure I can do it. So I'm going to start. But where will I can put my phone? So guys, the internet provider that I am talking earlier is there now. So they gave me a form, so it's 2 copies of the form, one for me and one for them, and I have to complete all the details that I need to put in here. And here they are outside fixing their things to install my internet. Na-unban date ngayon, baka yung anak ko, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22.
Sige pa.
So guys, the lineman is done installing the internet wire, and then I have to wait because there is someone who is responsible to activate the modem. So he's still not here, so while waiting on him, I have to do something. So I have this hammer, then a wood stick. So I wrap my wood stick going from Manila going here because I am avoiding to make an accident on the jeepney. That's why I am wrapping my wood sticks. And I already sweep my front area because the suns it's flowing down on the street because it's been raining, and the water is flowing down there. So this is their direction to flow going down, and I had to sweep it and put it on the sacks. And then on the side, here's my plants. So I have my aloe vera now, and then my neighbor gave it to me, so I planted the aloe vera there. And then I don't know the name of those plants. Other neighbors gave it to me, so I planted them already. And then here's this one. It's like a gabi, but I don't know the name. And this one also, I don't know the name. I have the oregano, and then this is calamansi. My calamansi, there is no leaves left because of the caterpillars staying on it. And then the first one that I planted on my box, they are died, so I had to remove them on a pot. And then from the pot of it, I planted this oregano. I took their soil and then I put it on the others. And then here's my oregano, so I need to get another soil because it's it can't stand because it's growing. So maybe I need to pick some of the branch and plant it. My kangkong and the squash that I planted before on my back area, on the back of the area, on my back, it's already died. And now this is now my this is actually my plants now. And every time I used to leave, I used to put them inside the house because of the sun. They are get dried from the sun, and the leaves get yellow like this. And then I need more stick next time for the gate. And I need to stop working because the small raindrops starting to drop. And I'm so happy with my accomplishment today. So I finished the other side. So on my next trip, I need to bring another set of wood stick. So, and also the guy who will activate my internet, so he came. So it's already working and I got my Wi-Fi now. I have an internet. So my sister has a plan to come here, and now I have an internet. She can do her work at home. So that's my accomplishment for today, and I am so happy with that. So that's all for today, and next week it's another thing to do. So that's for now, and that's for today, and thank you for watching, guys.